In the face of divorce, stay-at-home moms and dads sometimes face tough questions. Will my spouse get the kids because I don't have a job? Is alimony guaranteed to me since I've been out of work? When they've been financially dependent on a breadwinner spouse, they may not have any income sources of their own, and these questions come up. Whether you've been a stay-at-home parent or if you're unemployed at the moment, you have a lot to think about, especially as it pertains to financially supporting yourself during and after the divorce. Here's what you need to know about child custody, child support, and spousal maintenance. Number one, child custody. Suppose you want the children to live with you primarily. Your goal is to have more parenting time with your children than your spouse, and then have your spouse pay you child support. If your spouse agrees to this arrangement, you don't have any issues because you can get the court to sign the order. But if he or she wants to have more parenting time, or if they want to have 50-50 parenting time, or if they want to have more parenting time than you do, a judge will have to step in and decide based on the best interest of the children. Some stay-at-home parents assume they'll get custody of the kids, but that's not the case. Certainly not necessarily. If the other parent is fighting for equal parenting time and he or she is a stable, loving, bonded parent, the court is going to lean towards a 50-50 arrangement or arrangement where both parents spend a lot of time with the children, depending on your circumstances. So even if you've been raising the kids all these years as a stay-at-home parent, you still have to share them with your spouse, and probably more than you think. Number two, child support. Child support can be more straightforward than custody when the incomes are settled on. If you have a W-2 employee and you're not employed, the court can easily plug these factors into a child support worksheet. Whoever gets the kid more overnights throughout the year will have their child support increased or decreased because of it. Number three, spousal maintenance. Spousal maintenance or alimony is determined by the court based on many factors, including lifestyle of the parties, length of time of the marriage, the reasonable needs of the requesting party, and the paying party's ability to meet their own needs and your needs. Spousal maintenance is not guaranteed in a divorce. It is up to the court to decide. If you are a stay-at-home parent, I want you to be prepared. Call my team today to discuss your unique case so you can protect your financial future and protect your time with your kids.